Amy is at the park and she's finding things that are blue. Welcome. Let's read, I see blue. The special word in this story is the sight word, blue. Blue. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. The car is blue. The car is blue. I see a blue ball. I see a blue ball. I see a blue bike. I see a blue bike. I see a blue bird. I see a blue bird. And I see a blue kite. And I see a blue kite. Can you see the sky? Can you see the sky? The sky is blue, too. The sky is blue, too. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, blue. Can you read this page? It says, the car is blue. Can you also read this page? It says, I see a blue ball. Read. What does Amy see? A blue kite. It says, and I see a blue kite. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Blue. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word blue. First, can you find the word blue? Which is the word blue? Blue. Again, find the word blue. Here it is. Blue. Last one. What letter does the word blue start with? Blue. It's B. Blue. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.